Yo, what it do? Big boy RT back in the cut with another video. Man, what it do? Hold up, bro. Like, no bat. I recorded this video and I recorded this video last Sunday and I was like trying to upload it. GoPro's overly tripping. So I gotta make the whole video over again. So y'all already know. But y'all already know, Big Boy RT. I'm back in the cut. I know I've been going for like, what, like 2 weeks or something like that. I was supposed to be consistent, all of that. But y'all already know. My fault, it's overly cold outside right now. It's supposed to snow in like 20 to 30 minutes. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and make this video, you feel me? But like I was saying, we back. I literally already made this video, but I had to redo it because my computer and GoPro tripping. But I got my hold up, we'll be back in 1 minute. All right, yo, I bet for sure. We got a loud ass train over there, but my car was gone for like a week or two in the shop. They if I remember saying in my last video that I posted, I had those problems. I don't know if I told y'all, I've been having like cooling issues. Like when I swing, it would like overheat. Not every time, but like when I'm like swinging for a decent minute, it'll overheat. Then like I obviously lose coolant, and like all of this was like flooded with coolant. Like you can still see like the what they call it, the residue. Yes sir, fuck you talking about, the residue on there. But I took it to my dealer and they said this thing had a hole in it. Got that replaced, got water pump replaced, because that was squeaking overly loud every morning. It'd be squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. You feel? I ain't trying to be like that every morning. You be no, can't go. Had to get that replaced. But to today's mods, I don't even got the box with me no more, but I probably got the box at the crib. I got these new Sidemarkers in here, my boy. 1 second, I'm gonna see if I got the box in my car. All right, so I was able to find the box. These straight off the Amazon though, but these the brand that I guess sold it for or whatever. But you already know, I got those joints. I threw away my old ones already because, like I said, I already made this video, so I just had to remake it. But I deleted my old, threw away my old ones, so these are the new ones. I'm gonna take them out and show y'all how I did it. For if y'all want to go buy them, they were like $35, no bap. I feel like it's a decent ass mod, no cap. But we're finna get right into it. You're gonna need a screwdriver, and I'm gonna hop in the car because it's cold as hell. But when you take off your factory side marker, it's gonna be a bulb. You're gonna have to either get some needle nose pliers or whatever and rip out the bulb, or take it out with your hand gently. It might break. Mine's broke, but I was still able to get everything out and it was still Gucci. So either way you want to do it, however you want, your preference. But I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna get this screwdriver to work. And we finna get these. Well, I already got them on, but I'm just show y'all what I did, and for y'all could do it, and y'all get these, be out here shining through the night, you feel me? But Big Boy RT, yes sir. All right, for sure. So I'm gonna take that screwdriver. Hopefully I don't break these joints. I'm gonna be overly blue, but you just want to get it on the side. Yes sir. Pop that bad boy out. The factory one gonna pop out just as so, maybe a little easier, but boom, there you go. That's how it's gonna pop out. And let me show y'all. For sure. All right, so is this gonna be this piece right here? You're gonna have to y'all see that though. them joints hit. And my fault if this video a little short. Like I said, I already made the videos, so like I have a lot more in that video, but it's cold and then like I already got them on, so I really can't even do that much. But y'all get the jit. And so here's try to focus. Yeah, y'all can see that. So y'all just gonna line up that other piece exactly with that. We're gonna line that piece up with that. Put them bad boys on, and I'm gonna put them on right now. And I suggest you try to start your car, or like my remote battery dead right now, so I gotta actually start my car. But I suggest you do that before you actually put it back on and all of that. Just make sure it's Gucci, because I know with my left one, this one over here, it was tweaking out. I had to like fix it, like I had to keep putting that metal piece from the actual side marker in to like actually get it to work. That's why I ain't even try to not take that one out, just leave it how it is. But this one was Gucci, so I'm gonna put this back in, and I'm gonna show y'all when I start the whip up. Yes sir. Boy, it's freezing out here, man. It's supposed to be like, it's supposed to hell or some shit. Man, it's cold as hell. Like that. Also, you're gonna have to use some force. Don't be gentle, none of that. Use some force. Yes sir. Do you see me? Do you see me? Simple as that. Let me show y'all real quick how to put that little cord up. So y'all just gonna have to, this is a little cord, y'all gonna simply put this cord in that hole, just as so. 1 second. Oh, so you get the tripping. Overly cold right now, so my hands like frozen trying to do this. There we go, we in action, man. Like I said, it's freezing out here. It's hot. You finna pop that joint right on, and as you see, pop it on just like that. Yes sir, we in action, baby. I swear, bro, I should have did this like a whole time ago. Shout out to my girl, she got me those. She clutch as hell. But for real though, I like them a lot. I was saying in the old video, I wish that cause this is an SRT bumper, I wish that hold up, so before I get wrapped, I'm gonna have to get a new bumper. So that's kind of holding me up right now. I gotta fix that little piece. I'm not fixing it, I'm just getting a whole new bumper. And I was trying to slide one day, all of this shit hanging, so I gotta get a whole new bumper, because my boy told me I'm gonna have to get the bumper, and I'm gonna have to get the bumper painted before I can even get it wrapped. because the wrap not gonna sit on like that little, how it be just a black bumper or whatever. So have to go through that little step, drop that little couple hundreds, then we finna get that wrap drop real soon, gang. Bro, finna be teed up for the summer. And yesterday we hit 500 subscribers, bro. That shit is fucking crazy as hell. Like, I know that's ain't a lot, like people be having like hella fucking thousands and shit, but like that's still a lot to me. I appreciate everybody that's rocking with me, man. Y'all the real ones. Road to 1K, we definitely hitting that for summertime for sure. But man, y'all feel me? I think they hit it for real. Y'all drop in the comments, let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think I should do next. I already got a bunch of plans already. I'm finna just start rolling slow by slow. Finna get the mods rolling. Finna get ready for summer. But I appreciate everybody watching this video. It was just a quick ass video. It was longer, low key, the other video, but it's all Gucci. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. We finna stay consistent. Hopefully, not hopefully, but we're gonna be dropping weekly videos. Y'all stay tuned with me. Road to 1K. Make sure y'all tune in with my Instagram too. I'm only at like 200 followers. I got a whole new Instagram, so y'all run it up. I be dropping hella reels on that bit. So man, y'all already know. Big boy RT. Catch me in the next video. Yes, sir.